Nugget, bro, not again. Give me my blanket. This is the second time you're doing this. Nugget, no. He literally won't let me lay down. Nugget, give me it. Wait. Bro, let me lay down. Nugget, please. Please. Can I just... You can chew on another blanket. Please. My... I already have holes in my blanket, bro. I don't want any more. Yes, I do have another blanket, but I have actually 2 more blankets. But this is my favorite blanket. This is my favorite one. Please. Come on. Fine.
Let him have it. Let him have it. Let him have it. I'm watching.
Bro. Come on.